Have you ever watched the waves break in the bay, taking particular note of the water's murky brown hue? Or have you watched plumes of sediment swirl in the water, being carried away by the tide? Maybe our first reaction tells us this water is unhealthy, but in reality, the sediment giving the water its murkiness is an essential part of the estuary. Washing down from upstream, particles of sand and mud collect within an estuary, and it's perfectly natural. Because of this process, the waters of the Delaware Estuary are rich in sediment. Sediments typically enter the estuary at the head of tide, which is the furthest point upstream that tides reach. In the Delaware Estuary, the head of tide is near Morrisville, Pennsylvania, and Trenton, New Jersey. Most sediments then make their way through the Delaware Estuary, exiting at its confluence or its connection with the Atlantic Ocean, situated between Cape May, New Jersey, and Lewis, Delaware. Sediments become partially trapped or momentarily suspended in place as the tides push and pull water in and out of the estuary. The area that accumulates the highest sediment concentration is called the estuarine turbidity maximum. In the Delaware Estuary, the estuarine turbidity maximum is near the Delaware Memorial Bridge, nearly halfway between the head of tide and its confluence with the Atlantic Ocean. The sediments that build up in the estuary are the basis of tidal wetland habitats. They become the foundation where plants can grow, flooded by the tides. Where tidal wetlands can form, wildlife abounds. Various fish, birds, and insects use tidal wetlands, and so they are all intimately connected to the sediments we see clouding the water in our estuary, just as we all are.
Are you covered in mud? How much mud you got on you? Is it good for you?
Yeah.